Hey, I'm just gonna unbox this Timex Weekender box, or Weekender watch, excuse me. Yeah, I bought it on Amazon for like $20. It shipped in like 2 days, so yeah, it's good. Yeah, just gonna try not to damage the box. Alright, first thing you see is Timex watch. Oh god, that's nice. Just gonna see what I have to do to open it. Looks like it's kind of held down by a piece of the box, and then slides out. Now this is a Weekender watch, which means the strap, it's all one strap, as you can see. It threads through these pieces of metal. But normal watches, with one strap starting here, one strap starting here. This one's just one. And I got it in the blue-gray color. It's just a real nice, clean watch. And yeah, I look forward to wearing this. And yeah, I think it'll match a lot of things. You know. So it's a good looking watch. Came in a nice little box. And there's a little stand that comes with instructions. And yeah, you can probably store your watch on it. And that's it. Yeah, nice Timex Weekender watch, purchased from Amazon.com.